Hello, my friends. Today, we will explore together a special vegetable that you may have never known. We believe this will make you feel extremely curious and excited. So, let's start our journey now. Picture this, a mysterious curly-stemmed plant that lies dormant under the soil. Beneath, it is empty. It sounds like something out of a fantasy novel, doesn't it? No, but keep your spirits up, because in our upcoming video, we'll dive into the secrets of growing and harvesting these resilient curly sprouts. Endive, hailing from Belgium and thriving mainly in Flanders, is more than just a vegetable. It's a culinary delight. Have you savored its distinctive flavor yet? Cultivation starts in June, culminating in a flavorful harvest that lasts until December. Imagine the anticipation that comes with taking the first step toward a bountiful kale harvest, planting the seeds. But before these miracles can take root, everything must be prepared. Imagine a farmer's careful preparation, tilling, fertilizing, and improving the soil for optimal plant growth. And finally, when it's prepared, it's time to plant the seeds and watch nature's magic begin. In Belgium, farmers carefully select top-quality seed varieties for planting. These chosen seeds are then sown into the soil, where they germinate over approximately 2 weeks. To achieve uniform growth and maximize yield, modern equipment like the Class Aries 696 RZ seed drill with monosem 18 rows is utilized. This cutting-edge technology ensures precise seeding, maintaining optimal spacing and depth for each seed. Let me paint you a picture of Antoine, a Belgian farmer whose journey with the Renault Aries 610 chicory harvester has transformed his kale cultivation. With cutting-edge technology at his fingertips, Antoine's harvesting process has become a symphony of efficiency and productivity. The harvester's sleek design not only streamlines operations, but also champions sustainability, reducing environmental impact. Thanks to this innovation, Antoine's chicory yields have soared, ushering in a new era of prosperity and sustainability for his farm. Chicory harvesters showcase remarkable technological advancements, greatly enhancing agricultural productivity. Their efficiency not only simplifies harvesting, but also mitigates farming's environmental impact, marking a significant stride towards sustainable agriculture. Let's strive to further innovate and develop technologies that bolster efficiency, while preserving our precious natural resources. Can you feel the might of this harvester? It's beyond the power it wields and is truly breathtaking. Introducing the Grimm Tektron 415, a cutting-edge chicory harvester designed for ultimate efficiency and precision. With specialized components for digging, cutting and sorting, it ensures a swift and flawless harvest. But here's the kicker. Its intelligent system automatically detects and rejects subpar produce, maintaining top-notch quality. Plus, optional attachments are available to further enhance handling and optimize production processes. This harvester isn't just a machine, it's a game changer for agriculture. In 1950, Diegem and Steenkozel, Belgium, emerged as centres for cultivating white sheath, thanks to their ideal climate and fertile soil. Applying modern techniques, local farmers have driven the industry to economic success, harvesting and exporting their products to both domestic and international markets. His boom not only created jobs, but also boosted local economic growth. Discover the modern endive production process. After harvest, roots are meticulously cleaned and sorted, stored in a cold room to prevent premature growth. They're later transferred to a dark, humid environment for about 21 days to turn white. Carefully cut and packed, each endive undergoes rigorous inspection before reaching consumers. This precise process results in delicious, high-quality produce that satisfies both growers and consumers alike. Here's another approach to cultivating endives. Tasty East Flemish endive, a cherished variety. It's lovingly grown in the East Flemish region with dedication and hard work. Known for its unique flavor and nutritional benefits, this endive thrives despite the challenging conditions of the region. Enduring harsh weather and tough soil, farmers in East Flemish meticulously nurture these plants to perfection. Despite the challenges, their efforts yield consistently excellent endive, prized for its quality and nutritional value. Earlier this year, I visited crops in Nageli, the Netherlands, to explore AgriNserve's modern vegetable cultivation process. Witnessing hydroponic methods for growing kale and endives alongside innovative machinery left a profound impression. Efforts of AgriNserve and crops to establish a sustainable cultivation model were truly inspiring.